Kevin Allen here again at the Razer booth at CES 2020. Many of you are mobile gamers out there, and cloud gaming is just hitting the market. Mobile gaming is huge. Call of Duty had over 120 million downloads last month. And here we have Razer's new Kishi Universal Mobile Controller for both iOS and Android. So if you're a mobile gamer on the go and you want to play your games with a console style setup, we have the Kishi Mobile Controller. Quite simply, you take your phone, mount it in there, around, and now I have a console style setup on my mobile phone. Again, we support iOS and Android, and the advantage of this unit is that you have a wired unit to your device, so near zero latency. There's a pass-through charging port as well, so you want to play long sessions. And you have all the necessary buttons. You have D-pad, clickable joysticks, and all the buttons required for firing and controlling your characters in-game. Over here I have the mobile game, which is called Black Desert Mobile. Just to give you a sense of how it works. Near zero latency, I can move around and be more accurate with my gameplay, have more fun, and be more competitive with the Razer Kishi Universal Mobile Controller. And again, one thing that's so nice about this is it's lightweight, easy to handle, and you can game on both HID compatible games as well as cloud games like NVIDIA GeForce Now or Microsoft Xbox xCloud. So we support phones like the Google Pixel model lineup, the iPhone 7 and above, of course with the applicable device, because we will sell two different versions, iOS and Android. All the Samsung phones, OnePlus, basically any phone that is a 6.7 inch or below phone. And very easily disconnect it, and it comes back together to go into your backpack and take with you on the go. Very lightweight, sub $100 price point, and we will be retailing this in February of 2020 for just under $100. The Razer Kishi Universal Mobile Controller.